Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to check your Morrison gift card balance. So let's get started. First of all, I want to tell you that you cannot check your gift card balance via online. So the only way to check your gift card balance of Morrisons, that is via calling method. So as you can see over here, this is the official website, and on this website you can see they have mentioned you can view your balance. As you can see over here, to view your balance, to check your balance on your gift card, please call customer support on this number. You need to contact on this number, and once you get connected, you need to follow the prompts, and that's it. By using this number you can only check your gift card balance. Okay, so this is the way by which you can check your gift card balance. And if you're facing any issue, you can make a comment, because we have made a lots of research and we did not find any kind of method by which you can check your gift card balance via online. Okay, so the best way to check your gift card balance, you can call on this number, and if you're facing any issue, you are not able to connecting with this number, then you can call on this number like this one. As you can see over here, this is the one more number available, and you can call on this number like 0344 You can also call on this number, and once you get connected, you can tell them your query. They will help you accordingly. Okay, so these are the two methods by which you can check your gift card balance. If you're facing an issue, you can make a comment. I will try to solve your all queries. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.